So on all the new generation cars, the biggest question that we get asked is how do I improve the sound of the exhaust? On everything from 2019 onwards, exhaust systems have been changed, which has unfortunately killed the noise of all Porsches and other makes and models. So the answer to that question is, in particular on this 992 that we're going to show you today, is the sports cats. So these 200 cell GD sports cats are still MOT compliant, they still pass. I've got these on my car and it still passes a normal MOT, don't have to do any trickery, it just works. So today we're going to fit these onto this car alongside some BMC air filters, and on this particular model, the GTS, not only does it release a little bit of power and noise, but we can do this package under a Porsche warranty still. Now the reason that we're able to do that is we're not actually going to tune the ECU. We're going to use an OBD solution. That means that you don't get the usual cat efficiency codes on the dashboard. So even though these are still MOT compliant, because you're reducing half of the size of the overall size of the catalytic converter and it's releasing more gases through it, the lambda sensors see a difference and they put the engine light on the dashboard. Now using the OBD solution means that if you've got to go back to Porsche whilst you're under warranty, you can unplug that, remove these if you must. In most cases, they're not that bothered. Remove the OBD solution. That then means that you can go and the ECU hasn't been calibrated, so there's no T codes in for calibration, so it shouldn't be an issue with your warranty. If you've got something where you put these back to standard, so you put your original cats back on and remove the OBD solution, you've effectively never touched that car as far as Porsche are concerned. So if you've got one that's out of warranty, or you're going to warranty it with us at Genome, we can do that calibration within the ECU to either remove the light, so it's happy that it's seeing the correct parameters between the lambda sensors, or alternatively, if you want to go one step further, we can then tune the vehicle. Now on this particular model, the 992 GTS, that's going to result in somewhere close to 600 horsepower. Absolutely phenomenal car once you've done the tuning. The model below, which is the S, shares the same turbos, so you get the same results out of an S. The base model has a slightly smaller turbo, so it is slightly less power, but it's still a massive gain. So what we're going to do next is we're going to fire the car up, get some idea of what it sounds like on cold start and with valves closed and then valves open in standard form. Callum's going to fit these parts on, and then we're going to repeat that process to give you guys an idea of exactly what the difference is once we've finished. So now that we've seen the installation of the 200 cell sports cats, we are going to show a few clips of the car with the exhaust valve closed. So that's a direct comparison pre and post. And then we're going to open the valve up, which will give you a little bit more scope on the overall noise whilst the car is stationary. After that, we're going to go into fitting a car graphics exhaust valve controller, which we'll explain after these clips. So now that we've seen those clips, the final piece to the puzzle on this particular car is the car graphics exhaust valve controller. Now these are really good because you get total control of the exhaust valve. Now in most cases on the newer cars, when they've not had the DME tuned, When you put the valves to open in neutral, they will open, but as soon as you put the car in drive, what it does is it controls that valve and it closes it until 3,700 RPM. So it'll go quiet, and then when you're on it and it gets above 3,500, 3,700, it starts to open the valve and then you get the proper noise. Now that's really frustrating because you've just spent all that money on having a set of sports cats put on to get more noise. So this valve controller allows you to take total control of the valve on the exhaust and keep it open at all times. So if I start this car up now, fortunately it's already come off cold start because we've been running it. So that's closed. So if I now rev the car with it closed, it's lovely and quiet, not much different to the original, so you can drive it. There's no drone in the cabin. You know, it's a nice steady drive. When you want all hell to break loose, you can hear the change as I flick between them. Changing exhaust note. I'll pop it in sport so that we get the crackles as well. And then right at the end there, that's where you get all the turbo whistles. So the beauty of this is that will stay open at all times, even when you're driving it. So if you're wanting a nice steady cruise, you're going to flick that valve shut. So there we've got it. So that has now taken total control. And for example, if I were to drive this out without this on, even if I'm in sport mode, as soon as I put the car in drive, it's going to close that valve and you'll hear the distinctive note change and you'll lose all that turbo whistle and everything. But then when you get to above 3,700, which you know you're not always going to do, that's when the valve will start to open. Whereas with this, it will stay like that at all times. Thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in this package for your 992, please reach out to one of our team or go on our website, which is www.genomedesign.co.uk.